COVID 19 has infected over 11 million people worldwide and claimed more than 500,000 lives till date. The World Health Organization declared coronavirus a pandemic due to the widespread scale of the outbreak. Also, WHO has warned that the worst of COVID 19 is yet to come. According to the United Nations, the coronavirus pandemic is the worst global crisis since World War II. In this video, I am explaining the recent circulars by some insurance companies extending hospitalization as well as home care treatment benefit for COVID-19 treatment to the existing Mediclaim policy holders. In addition to that, I am making a comparison between Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak policies, and also a comparison between Corona Kavach and Mediclaim policies at large. Please view this video till the end, and I am sure that this will enlighten you more about the support given by various policies to COVID treatment. First of all, let's compare Corona Kavach with Corona Rakshak policy. Both these are exclusive Corona treatment policies. The entry age, policy period and waiting period are same for both Corona Kavach and Corona Rakshak. The sum insured available for Corona Kavach is rupees 50,000 to 5 lakhs, whereas for Corona Rakshak it is rupees 50,000 to rupees 2 lakhs 50,000 only. Both the policies cover hospitalization, whereas the minimum hospitalization required for considering a claim under Corona Kavach is 24 hours only, but for Corona Rakshak it is 72 hours. Medical as well as non-medical expenses incurred are payable under Corona Kavach, whereas the total sum insured will be paid under Corona Rakshak when a COVID patient underwent hospitalization of more than 72 hours. Thus, Corona Rakshak is a benefit policy. Hospital cash and non-medical expenses like PPE kit etc. are payable under Corona Kavach, but there is no separate items under Corona Rakshak. Some medical equipments and non-medical expenses are payable under Corona Kavach policy even when a patient is treated at home, whereas home care treatment is not allowed under Corona Rakshak policy. 72 hours inpatient treatment is required for admitting a claim under Corona Rakshak policy. COVID positive diagnosis from a government authorized laboratory is mandatory for claims under both these policies. We cannot recommend one policy as more beneficial because both the policies have their own special benefits. At present, Oriental Insurance Company and Star Health Insurance Company are issuing Corona Rakshak policies. Corona Kavach policies available from all the public sector as well as private sector general and health insurance companies. Usually, the Mediclaim policies do not allow non-medical expenditure as well as domiciliary hospitalization or home care treatment for any diseases. But the recent circular by the United India Insurance Company allows non-medical expenditure during hospitalization as per a tariff given in the circular. As per the tariff, non-medical expenditure will be paid for isolation ward will be rupees 1,300 per day, for a twin sharing room rupees 1,800 per day, for a single room rupees 2,400 per day, and for ICU rupees 2,600 per day. Cost of hand wash, sanitizer, shoe cover etc. may be subsumed under room rent or ICU charges. Whenever such charges exceeds the room rent or ICU charges, the actual amount will be paid subject to 50% co-payment or 50% will be allowed by the insurance company. In the case of non-COVID patients admitted in a hospital for some other diseases and incurred non-medical expenditure related to COVID care such as PPE kit, hand wash etc., the cost of the same will be included in room rent or ICU charges, or 50% payment will be made. For COVID test like RT-PCR or any other approved test, the government rates, the approved government rates subject to a maximum of rupees 3,000 will be paid along with the hospitalization claim. When an admitted patient became COVID positive and a makeshift arrangement has been done by the network hospital itself, expenses at such centers will be payable as extension centers of the network hospital. Treatment given at centers not approved by government will not be considered for a claim. Even though a Mediclaim policy does not cover domiciliary treatment in the policy, United India offers 14 days home care treatment for corona treatment at home itself, and the maximum amount payable will be 15,000 rupees including cost of equipments. The conditions and items payable are the same as in COVID Kavach policy home care treatment. To know the home care treatment conditions and equipments allowable, please visit my earlier video on Corona Kavach policy, and the link is given in the description box. You can see that video by clicking the I button appearing here in the screen now, or by clicking the Corona Kavach thumbnail showing at the end of this video. Oriental Insurance Company allows COVID-19 test for COVID-19 positive patients as per the government rates and Ministry of Health guidelines. For non-COVID patients, one test will be allowed under pre-hospitalization along with the hospitalization claim. Cost allowable per PPE kit will be Rs 812 to Rs 1087, or the procuring cost plus 10% only. One PPE kit will be allowed for isolation ward, 2 to 3 PPE kits will be allowed for single room, and 4 to 5 kits will be allowed for ventilator or ICU per day. Home care treatment for COVID positive patients for standard retail, group or bank assurance Mediclaim policies will be allowed as per the domiciliary terms and conditions and as per the definitions given by Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Expenses incurred during quarantine or isolation are not payable. I hope that other insurance companies will also come up with similar amendments allowing corona treatment including non-medical expenses and home care treatment to existing Mediclaim policy holders also. This is a comparison of premium by Corona Kavach policies by various insurance companies, which is based on the premium rate for base premium for a 35-year-old person with a sum insured of 3 lakhs and for a period of 3.5 months. Here the premium rates charging by various companies for Corona Kavach policies for 3.5 months and 9.5 months are given. This is for a person between 31 to 35 years of age with a sum insured of 3 lakhs. Loading for comorbid conditions, hospital cash and GST are not included in the premium rates shown. On the above premium, 5% discount will be allowed for all health workers and for their family members. New India Insurance Company is allowing 5% discount for all females. While taking floater policies covering family members also, discount ranging from 5% to 40% will be allowed by various companies. Moreover, 5% to 10% discount will be available for digital payment while taking the policy online. Whether Arogya Sanjeevani policy covers corona care treatment? Yes, Arogya Sanjeevani covers corona care treatment taken in a hospital only as per the hospitalization conditions of the policy. It does not allow any type of non-medical expenses. COVID tests and treatment charges will be included as per the hospitalization conditions. One thing you have to remember is that 5% co-payment is applicable for all claims. Ayush treatment will be covered up to 100% of the sum insured if hospitalized. Here a waiting period of 30 days will be applicable for all diseases including COVID. All pre-existing diseases will be excluded even though treating along with COVID treatment in a hospital. No home care treatment is available under Arogya Sanjeevani policy for any disease including COVID. Corona treatment expenses in private hospitals are very high, so my advice is to take a Corona Kavach or Corona Rakshak policy without delay. If you have a Mediclaim policy, please inquire with your insurance company about the amendments to cover non-medical expenses and home care treatment for the existing Mediclaim policy, and also confirm that your policy covers domiciliary hospitalization. If you have a Mediclaim policy and which is amended to cover corona treatment, including home care treatment, then it is okay for you. Otherwise, go for a Corona Kavach or Corona Rakshak policy, which will help you in the case of treatment. Don't forget that Corona Kavach is an exclusive policy covering corona treatment without any supplements. So you will get 100% reimbursement up to the sum insured. Corona Rakshak is a benefit policy which allows 100% lump sum payment of the sum insured if a COVID positive patient is admitted in the hospital for more than 72 hours. Considering the high cost of treatment, taking a policy is good. If the video is informative, please like the video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.